Have you ever wondered why some men seem to seek a mother figure in their romantic partners? This intriguing question takes us into the depths of an often overlooked aspect in relationships: the mother replacement motive. At its core, this motive is deeply rooted in the intricate world of narcissism, a psychological construct characterized by excessive self-centeredness and a lack of empathy. Now, the mother replacement motive specifically refers to a pattern where some individuals, often unconsciously, seek to replicate the relationship they had with their mothers in their romantic relationships. According to psychologists, this behavior is often a manifestation of unresolved childhood experiences, typically involving the individual's relationship with their mother. This could range from a lack of maternal warmth and attention to an overindulgence of the same. Unraveling these psychological threads is no easy task, but it is crucial. Understanding the mother replacement motive is the first step in recognizing narcissistic behavior in relationships. How does this mother replacement motive manifest in marriage, you might ask? Well, male narcissists often use marriage as a powerful tool to seek maternal figures. They are drawn to partners who are nurturing and motherly, consciously or unconsciously seeking to fill an emotional void left by their own mothers. Renowned therapist Dr. Smith shares her insights. She describes how these men may demand excessive care and attention, much like a child would from a mother. They might expect their partners to handle all emotional labor, seeking constant validation and support. It's not uncommon for them to manipulate their partners into taking up this maternal role, often guilt-tripping them or playing the victim card to get their way. The journey of understanding this mother replacement motive can be quite unsettling, yet recognizing these patterns can serve as a significant wake-up call for many women in such relationships. It's the first step towards acknowledging the manipulative dynamics at play and exploring ways to address them. Recognizing these patterns can be a wake-up call for many women in such relationships. What are the warning signs of a narcissistic partner seeking a mother substitute? It's a question that can unravel the complex dynamics of a romantic relationship. It's important to identify manipulative patterns early. One of the most common signs is an imbalance of emotional labor. A partner might expect you to constantly comfort them, solve their problems, and even manage their emotions. It's as if they're looking for a caregiver rather than a partner. Another sign is an excessive need for admiration and validation. This stems from the narcissist's fragile ego and deep-seated insecurities. They might shower you with affection one moment, then withdraw it the next, creating a confusing push-pull dynamic. Also, watch out for a lack of empathy. Narcissists often struggle to understand or share the feelings of others. This can lead to a one-sided relationship where your needs and feelings are consistently overlooked. Awareness of these signs can empower women to make informed decisions about their relationships. What is the emotional toll of being a mother substitute in a marriage? Let's delve into this. At the heart of this dynamic is emotional labor, a term coined to describe the invisible yet taxing work of managing one's own and others' emotions. In the context of a relationship with a narcissist, this involves an incessant demand to fulfill roles and meet expectations that are unrealistic and unhealthy. Picture this: being expected to provide constant emotional support, handle all domestic tasks, and bear the brunt of the partner's emotional outbursts, all while maintaining a cheerful demeanor. Sounds exhausting, doesn't it? Psychologist Dr. Jane Doe explains, this level of demand can lead to emotional exhaustion, burnout, and a loss of self. It's important to remember that a partnership should involve mutual support and respect, not a one-sided emotional drain. Recognizing unhealthy expectations is crucial to maintaining emotional well-being. How can women navigate relationships with narcissistic partners seeking mother substitutes? This is a question that requires both insight and courage. The answer lies in understanding the psyche of a narcissist and being aware of your own emotional boundaries. First, it's essential to establish clear boundaries. Narcissistic partners often have a knack for blurring lines, making it hard to assert oneself. Creating and maintaining strong boundaries is a way to protect yourself from manipulation and emotional exhaustion. Second, it's important to remember that you can't change a narcissist. They must want to change themselves. It's easy to fall into the trap of trying to fix them, but this often leads to further emotional distress. Third, seek support. This could come in the form of therapy or counseling, or simply from friends and family who understand your situation. You're not alone in this. Lastly, remember that it's okay to put your mental health first. If the relationship becomes too harmful, it's okay to leave. Empowerment comes from knowledge, understanding, and the courage to take action.